We're stepping into a new era where mental health is non-negotiable for busy leaders. The habit of doing what you've always done when it no longer works simply is not an option anymore. Did you know that around 12 billion workdays are lost each year to depression and anxiety, costing the global economy nearly $1 trillion? How many of us, when you stress, your heart might palpitate, your body gives some type of reaction, things of that nature? That's where anxiety starts to build up and creep in. Here's the thing. I believe that everyone deserves to do what they love, make an impact, and also take care of their mental health too. It is my mission to make sure every busy leader is equipped with the necessary tools to take care of their mental health and make it a priority. Hi, I'm Dr. Terah Davis-Henderson, also known as Dr. Terah. I'm dedicated to helping busy business leaders prioritize their mental health. I accomplish this by offering my expertise and practical strategies to support well-being and work-life harmony for both leaders and their teams. What does your boundary sound like when it includes a firm request? Or is it missing it? Is it missing a firm request? I'm passionate about helping individuals and organizations like you thrive.
Mental health is something that we need to pay more focus on, not only as individuals, but particularly as HR professionals and looking at it in the context of work.
He was just incredible, walking people through actual practices that they can take away with them today and use in the day-to-day to help lighten their own souls and be able to fill the cups of others more easily as a result.
My workshops, they focus on core areas that drive well-being for leaders and teams, like burnout prevention, stress management, workplace community and belonging, time management, and productivity. My approach goes beyond delivering information. I create reflective, transformative experiences that's grounded in my background as a former professor, department chair, clinical therapist, and author. Leaders often feel stuck, juggling endless to-do lists and not knowing where to start with their mental health. That's where my Take Care of You Too framework comes in. I guide leaders through a personal journey to get clear, get focused, and get moving. When we get clear, get focused, and get moving, it shifts organizational leaders from viewing mental health as just another item on their lengthy to-do list, feeling overwhelmed and unable to prioritize their well-being, to embracing practical mental health tools that directly support their success and effectiveness. Through this framework, leaders shift from viewing mental health as a burden to embracing practical tools that fuel both personal well-being and professional success. You see, in my 20s, I earned my doctorate, and for over 11 years, I served as a higher education professor, proudly holding licenses and national certifications. I reached the pinnacle of my field when I became a department chair at the age of 30. Moving from a non-immigrant international student to an international educator was really a dream come true. But despite all of my accomplishments, I experienced one of the worst, yet most life-changing moments while working with a behavioral health agency. On a seemingly normal day, I had a panic attack, and I had to check myself into the urgent care. Mental health, it's personal for me. And so this experience taught me the importance of prioritizing my mental health. Yes, even for those of us who are experts in our field. And although my days in the classroom are behind me, I now get to travel the world, speaking at conferences, conducting workshops, and leading fireside chats to help busy leaders like you prioritize your mental health. Through my framework, I've seen clients go from overwhelmed to balance, building resilience and leading with purpose. You could be committed to something, but are you dedicated to it? That's the real question. When it comes to your mental health, are you committed to it or are you dedicated to it? As more leaders embrace the Take Care of You Too framework, they drive growth, sustainability, and success within their organizations. This isn't just about today, it's a path to a healthier, more resilient future. It is possible to do what you love, okay, and know your signs and symptoms. And it's also important to know that you can take care of yourself too, and still set and keep those boundaries.